Good morning, kids. Today we will be doing the next grammar part, which is making comparisons. Watch the video carefully and with full attention to understand everything that is being explained. Open page number 24. Making comparisons. Look at the pictures and then read the given sentences. Now look over here. The blue bag is smaller than the red bag. What do you see? The blue bag is a little small when you compare it with red bag. The red bag is a little bigger. In the picture you can see it is smaller than the red bag. The blue bag is smaller than the red bag. Similarly, the sentence shows comparison between the two things. Means it is showing you how the two things differ. It is the comparison, how and what is the difference between them. To show comparison between two things, places, persons or animals, we add er at the end of some adjectives. Like small is an adjective. It is describing how the bag is. It is a small bag. But when you compare it to another bag, we add er to it. It becomes smaller. Right? To some adjectives, we add more before them. Because not all the adjectives end with er. Some start with more before it. For example, big can become bigger, but useful cannot become usefuler. It is not a word, so we write more useful. While comparing two things, we use than after the adjectives. So whenever you are comparing, you use than after the adjective. So as you have seen here, the blue bag is smaller than the red bag. After the adjective, smaller is the adjective, right? So after the adjective we always have than. The blue bag is smaller than the red bag. My old pencil is smaller than my new pencil. So smaller than my new pencil. Or my old dress is now smaller than my new dress. My old shoes are smaller than the new shoes I have. So again than. We always have than after the adjectives when we are comparing anything. Complete the following sentences to show comparison. Use the words given in the brackets. One is done for you. So the first one that is done for us is my uncle is dash than my father. The word in the bracket is tall. So it becomes taller. My uncle is taller than my father. Second sentence. Now we have to start doing this. Pay attention, children. Sheila is dash than Mohini. The word in the bracket is clever. Now what will we write here? We will write cleverer. We will just add er after it. Write down cleverer. Cleverer. Ram is dash than I am. Short is the word in the bracket. So Ram is shorter. 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 This apple is dash than the one I have. The word in the bracket is sweet. So what will be the word here that will write? The comparative word we will write here. It will be sweeter. 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 This apple is sweeter than the one I have. This is your homework. In the magic grid given below, look for words that sound the same as those in the book. Now here are some words in this book, right? We have to find words that sound similar to these words. For example, meat. I'll show you one, then you have to search for similar words. Meat. Here you see M-E-E-T, meat. So this sounds similar to that, but the spelling is a little different. M-E-A-T, meat. M-E-E-T, meat. Next, one more I'll show you. Night. K-N-I-G-H-T, night, right? This night is a different night than N-I-G-H-T, night. Circle N-I-G-H-T. Similarly, after doing the ones that you have already searched, strike off like we always do, and find the words that sound same to the rest of the words in the book. You can find them. It's very easy. But if you are unable to find it, take the help of your parents and you can do it. Turn to page number 25, section B. Join the highlighted words in each group of words given below and write them as one word in the space given. One is done for you. So the one that is done is the top of a hill. So now you see these two words are highlighted over here, but top hill is not a word. Hilltop is a word. It's a top of a hill that we go. So similarly we will be doing the rest. A room where a teacher takes a class. So the words highlighted here are room and class. So you tell me what is the word that is made from these two highlighted words? It is classroom. The teacher teaches in a classroom. She takes class in a classroom. CLASS, class. ROOM, room, classroom. The light of the moon. So the words highlighted are light and moon. So light moon is not a word. Moonlight is a word. The light coming from the moon is called a moonlight. So write down the word moonlight. MOON, moon, LIGHT, light. A cake baked in a container shaped like a cup. So the words that are highlighted here are cake and cup. So what is a cake baked in a container shaped like a cup? It's a cupcake. Write down CUP, cup, CAKE, cake. Write down today's date, which is 17-11-20, and underline it. Write down the heading as making, 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 comparisons, COMPARISONS, full stop, making comparisons. We will be writing a few sentences. So write down the heading as fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Underline that. First sentence. Ram is RAM, Ram. IS is dash than, THAN, than. I am. So now after putting full stop, open a bracket and write short over here, SHORT, short. We will be using these brackets. With the help of these brackets, we will be writing the comparative words for this. Ram is dash than I am. So what I told you, when we are comparing two things or two people, places or anything, we use ER at the end of a word. So short becomes shorter. Write down shorter, SHORTER, shorter. Second sentence. Sheila, SHEELA, Sheila is dash than Mohini, dash than, THAN, than Mohini, 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 full stop. Open a bracket over here. If you have place in this same line, you can write it there. I don't have, that's why I'm writing it here. So the word here is clever, CLEVER, clever. So what we will write? We will write cleverer, CLEVERER, cleverer. Sheila is cleverer than Mohini. Third sentence. The honey, THE, the honey, HONEY, the honey is, IS is dash than, THAN, than the, THE, the mangoes, MANGOES, full stop. The word in the bracket is sweet, SWEET, sweet. So what will we write? The honey is sweeter than the mangoes. So write down sweeter, SWEETER, sweeter than the mangoes. Sentence number 4. Orchids are, ORCHIDS, orchids are dash than, dash than other, O-T-H-E-R, other flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, full stop. The word in the bracket is costly, C-O-S-T, cost, L-Y-L-E, costly. So what will we write? Orchids are costlier than other flowers. Write down costlier, C-O-S-T-L-I-E-R, costlier. Sentence number 5. Krishna is, K-R-I-S-H-N-A, Krishna, I-S is dash than Rohit, dash than, T-H-A-N, than Rohit, R-O-H-I-T, Rohit, full stop. The word in the bracket is intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. So what will we write? We cannot write intelligenter. That is not a word. So remember, I told you, like we gave you example in the reader, where if we have to compare things and we add er to words, but to certain adjectives we add more before it. So similarly for this word, we add more before it. Krishna is more intelligent than Rohit. Write down more, M-O-R-E, more intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. Krishna is more intelligent than Rohit. 6th sentence. A bug is a bug, B-U-G, bug. I-S is dash than, T-H-A-N, than a pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon, full stop. The word in the bracket is small, S-M-A-L-L, small. So a bug is always smaller than a pigeon. Write down smaller, S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. A bug is smaller than a pigeon. Number 7. 7th sentence is my uncle, M-Y, my uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle is dash, I-S is dash than my, T-H-A-N, than M-Y, my father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, full stop. The word in the bracket is tall, T-A-L-L, tall. So what will be the comparative word for tall? It will be taller. Write down taller, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. Sentence number 8. A bicycle, a B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle is dash than, T-H-A-N, than a car, C-A-R, car, full stop. The word in the bracket is slow. So a bicycle is always slower than a car. So write down slower, S-L-O-W-E-R, slower. You see, all the adjectives that we wrote have er in the end. Only one adjective we had to write more before it, that is intelligent. We do not write intelligent or intelligenter. That is not a word. So we write Krishna is more intelligent than Rohit. Homework for you is to complete the work done in the video and post it in the group. Thank you. Bye bye.